spot.
To take your opponent up to be able to put him in the ambulance. The ambulance is being backed into the arena. Of course, you need to put your opponent in that ambulance.
Out of face, it would look like Braun Strowman.
Into the ambulance and shutting the doors. Roman Reigns.
Roman Reigns says
Do it. Roman can figure out that way, but there might not be. I mean, a man the size of...
it comes down to this tonight.
Strowman, and Braun just looked at him.
And here we go. Roman looking to use his quickness. Goes back. Countouts. No disqualifications. Anything goes.
And Roman Reigns put his fist in Strowman's, but my God.
And here's Roman into the corner. Braun Strowman follows it up with a
Fine speed.
Wow!
My God.
Oh, what a clubbing blow. Start doing something fast, and that could help him.
Might be the only one, Booker. So confident in his own abilities. I'm talking about reality.
Bang! First into the post.
And all of Dallas, Texas
And now into the steps.
are experiencing Strowman.
Strowman drives them right into Reigns, and Roman flattened. And now force into the steps. A good thing Roman ducked out.
Hated Roman.
And now Strowman into the post.
Like that.
And Roman's not going to give up as he delivered the kick, and now the right hand to Braun. Put carcass to the ambulance.
Oh, look at this. Once again, right out of midair.
Oh, it's just slamming him. Reigns able to land at his feet. Wrong guys.
Oh.
And now Braun Strowman with the block.
It is that walk right there.
Reigns, though, lands at his feet, back to the ring, and once again stalking Roman Reigns, who slips out of the way. Reigns to his feet, Strowman drop!
This guy's Roman is making Braun use every ounce of energy and shot in that Samoan drop.
Roman Reigns, drive by to the bad elbow.
You've got one of the world's strongest men. You can take away an arm and totally change the...
Smart strategy. Definitely a smart strategy. Target the injury, pinpoint it, and take it.
Elbow!
And it all hurts. My goodness.
In the sights of Reigns, and again, crushing the elbow against the post. And again, oh my Lord.
Shots from Roman Reigns.
And did you see the look of disbelief on the face of Roman Reigns? And Strowman just whips the chair, and then whips Reigns into the barricade. And again, 3 times.
Oh, look at this. Strowman throwing Roman.
Right
Oh, no, look out.
And now driving Roman Reigns again off the screens. Oh my God.
That's in there for a minute.
Here we go. Oh, no.
WWE, and now dragging Reigns toward the ambulance. Doors are open, and Roman Reigns still with life.
Right off the doors.
Now Roman Reigns and Strowman trying to shove him into the ambulance. Reigns is hanging on. Reigns hammering away on Strowman. Oh, a right hand.
Superman punch.
Oh, and a right Superman punch by Reigns.
Reigns has to be exhausted, has to now try to stuff with a backboard.
Oh, the spine! Strowman just ripping the stretcher out of the back of the ambulance. Just heaving Reigns across the stage.
Like, no.
Oh my goodness!
It would have been over.
Oh my God! Reigns are driving Strowman right through the screen. Strowman driven through the screen. Roman Reigns again. Roman cannot believe that Braun Strowman's actually stirring.
Oh no!
Oh my God!
Reigns favorite.
Roman Reigns! Reigns just used the light.
Braun's favoring that left
And
elbow.
Reigns spear in the ambulance. My Lord! Strowman wins. Strowman wins. Monster among men rules the ambulance match. Oh my Lord! Roman's not done yet. There's a spear by Reigns.
Oh no! Remember, these ambulance doors are what injured Strowman to begin with.
Taking out that frustration on Strowman. Now it's Strowman in the ambulance.
Reigns' Samoan blood's got to be boiling right now, understandably.
Reigns is going to drive the ambulance.
What is Roman thinking? What?
God, no!
No, he's not going to do it.
No!
Is anybody in there? Check it. I'm Braun! Come on, get in there.
You got to feel for our tool. You saw the back of that ambulance just.
What are you doing? Braun, let him know. Come on, Braun.
Leave me alone.